So, a little fly and a human are very different. So there's different host physiologies that the parasite has to adapt to. One being the temperature of the host. So during a chronic infection of any sort of infection at all, you have variable temperatures due to fevers. You can also have fluctuations in temperature based on climate and body mass, and also physical activity. So if you're in a little fly, that fly's not going to be doing like a whole lot of stopping and start running. Whereas if you're a deer and you're targeted by a lion, then you can suddenly go from being like just chilling in a field, eating some grass, to running away at immense speeds. And that's going to cause a sharp increase in temperature and respiration, which the parasite might not like. That's why many parasites have adapted ways to survive heat stress through increased phosphorylation. So, in order to survive the host immune system, there are parasites have these things called virulence factors. These are molecular factors which facilitate the escape from the host immune system. I'm going to give you some examples. So, they can differentiate within a vacuole, within the cells, so that the immune cells can't actually see them. They're sort of hidden in a vacuole. They can also hide within red blood cells, or they can have protective surface proteins, which I'll talk about in another video. So the example with the trypanosomes in the T. brucei, they have VSG proteins, which help them hide from the immune system.